This video will show you how to perform battery reset using the Smart Diagnostic system. The procedure in your vehicle will be the same as in this video. First, plug your device into the DLC, then confirm vehicle information and VIN. Select Workshop Tools. Battery Reset. Battery Reset Service. Gateway. Battery Adaptation. Follow the on-screen prompts and input the new battery's information. New values have been written to ECU. That's how to perform battery reset. For more information, please visit us at innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.